In this video I'll show you how to connect your iRobot vacuum to your home Wi-Fi network. First, download and install the iRobot app from the Google Play Store or App Store, and select your product type. Then choose which vacuum model you have. App gets started, then continue, and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press and hold the two buttons on the vacuum for 2 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. Tap Continue and wait for the connection to complete. The robot is now fully set up and ready to go. Give your robot a name and skip through the tutorial. That's how you connect your iRobot vacuum to the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.